Hello, here's Stefan Laub from the Cucumber.at team. Another video on our new plugin Q-Geotexture. Q-Geotexture is a plugin that lets you use a geometry like a texture that flows then along the surface. Can clone and scatter and deform the things along other surfaces and then used like a texture. Here I modeled a small part which I want to scatter and deform so it bends and flows along the surface. I also have a base surface here. Yep. I hide it again, it can be hidden. The base surface I link here. This plane object can be outside here. I just place as child. Then I turn it on. And basically I'm done. So you see, it's very simple. This is along the base surface I created before. And it bends and deforms to smoothly fit together here and create this object. Basically, that's the idea of Geotexture. Use geometry like a texture. In addition, I used here gradient material with translucency, subsurface scattering, and so on. And I mapped it over all the clones and the instances with this remap UV by clone position. So it's even so it's mapped on one of these tiles, it goes over all its instances and can make look or make cool things with it. So let's render it. In that case, this is V-Ray, but this works also in Octane or Redshift or Corona or whatever you use, Arnold. Every engine that supports C4G geometry. And as you see, that's really three-dimensional. So it's not a texture. It's used like a texture, but it's fully 3D geometry, and it bends and flows along the texture. I can set here all the details, how it blends together from the space, how many instances I want to have, and so on. It's very simple to use and very effective. I hope you liked what I showed you here. This is a very simple video. We have more complex ones and from other examples, but I think this is basically showing the essence what it does for it's a simple but quite nice example. I wish you good evening and thank you.